Hey, welcome again, and this will be a very short lecture. What you're going to learn now is how to use the with statement. Now, what with statement does is it lets you write cleaner code when handling files with Python. So that's one thing, and the second thing is the with statement makes sure that the file is closed without you having to write a close method explicitly. And yeah, this is what I mean. So everything starts with, and then you use the same method, so open to open a file, and you say example.txt, and let me use a method, maybe append plus for reading and appending. And you say as file, so you create a variable on the fly, and notice the colon there, which underlies that you need to indent the code under that. So every time you have a colon in Python, everything that goes after the colon is indented. And these lines now are part of the with statement block. So we're talking about a block of code in here. And then you do the same thing as you do with a normal file handling, except of when you finish this block, you don't have to close the file. So what we could do is, with the a plus method, when you open a file with a plus method and then you want to read that file, the pointer will be at this point currently. So if you read now, you'll read an empty string. So what you could do first is maybe file seek and 0 there, and that will place a pointer at the first line, just there. Okay, and execute that. Then you could do content equals to file.read, and what that will do, it will create a variable named content, and then you can reuse that variable inside the with statement or outside of it, so the variable stays there. And then maybe write something there. All right, probably we need a break line there, and then line 6, yeah, 6. Execute again, and you're done. As you can see, I didn't have to close the file. The changes will be written in the file once the block of code ends. So the syntax is similar to when you write a for loop with this indentation in here. And our content, you see that you have these lines there. And also, if you open example.txt again, you see that line 6 is there. And yeah, that's about the with statement. In rare scenarios, you'll still want to use a file.close, especially if you have a long code to write. So if you want to open a file in the beginning, and then you do a lot of work with that file. So maybe you're interested to keep the file open. But for quick writing and reading, use the with statement, because that will make your code look cleaner. And yeah, that closes this lecture, and I hope you learned from it. And I hope you're enjoying the course, and please leave a review if you're feeling like so. I would appreciate that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next lectures then. We have more to go, still a lot of things to learn. I'll talk to you later.